Good morning to everyone. Today our student is going to show a simple experiment about density of a liquid. So today we have to add a small different type of liquids. So we will see the density of it. First take an empty beaker, place it in a table, then add honey. So I have added a 25 ml of honey, then water. So see, water is a less density, it floats above the honey. Next we are going to add a oil. Okay, see we have different layer of liquid. First one honey, second one water, third one oil. So we very well know that water and oil will not mix together. So it is of different density. Now with this experiment we can add a solid also. See, I am taking a coin. So whether it is a high density or low density?
High density.
So I place it inside the beaker. See where it's settled? Next I take some pulse and I add some leaf. So see, the first added coin is settled downside, so we cannot see it clearly, but after adding the leaf and the pulse, it's float on the top of the oil. So it resembles that this solid is always float on the top and the coin which have high density settle down the liquid.